What's up guys, it's Phil from Lazy Money UK back again. I decided to grind out £5 on Qmee to see if the survey scene is any better these days. Even when using my special anti-disqualification techniques, I still encountered a fair amount of instant rejections, fake questions, and fake surveys. The fundamental issue with paid survey sites is that there are no regulations in place to protect you, the participant, from being exploited. Ipsos could be the site that changes that, however. This post on Reddit caught my attention because it states that Ipsos still pay you something even when you get disqualified. And I don't mean the pathetic 1p you get from Swagbucks after filling in most of the survey. It says you could get up to 25p for a disqualification. That's more than Qmee pays you for completing some of their surveys. I went ahead and signed up using this guy's referral link to share the love.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty cool like that, but I try and keep it on the down low.
I definitely enhanced the truth when filling in the profile questions in order to get more survey opportunities. Once that was done, I jumped into the first survey. It makes you repeat some of the profile questions before the survey to test your memory. I chose not to lie on this survey, so I got disqualified. The disqualification bonus was 25p, so I think that's very reasonable. The second survey was about video games, so I was more than qualified. This paid out 75p, which was acceptable for the length of the survey. The third survey was an instant disqualification, but I got 5p for trying, which is fine. At the end of each survey, you get to play a guessing game to win entries into a prize draw. If I actually win any of these small kitchen appliances, I'll definitely sell it on eBay. It soon became apparent that there'll only be 1 or 2 surveys here each day. They even resorted to Qmee's tactic of showing fake surveys to make it look better. It was starting to get frustrating because I only needed 5 more points to cash out. Finally, I made enough points to redeem the £5 MasterCard. What the f***? Hold up, how can a virtual item go out of stock? Not even Swagbucks pull that one. So I back ordered it anyway, and I guess I'll just have to wait for 4 weeks. Qmee retains the title as the least bad survey site because it lets you cash out your earnings. Thanks for checking out this Lazy Money UK review. Make sure you subscribe to catch the latest money making tips. See you next time.